In this tutorial I will show you how to use the new Increase Contrast feature on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has added a new Increase Contrast option that makes colors bolder and helps text and icons stand out. This is especially useful in light mode or when you're using your phone in bright environments. To turn it on, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and select Accessibility. Here, you'll find the new Increase Contrast option. If you don't see it, make sure your WhatsApp app is fully updated to the latest version. Once the option is visible, simply toggle it on. From now on, your chats will appear with enhanced contrast, making them clearer and easier to read. And that's it, you've enabled increased contrast in WhatsApp for a more comfortable viewing experience.